Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer UTMA from Chase private client to Fidelity. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer a uniform transfers to Miners Act account from Chase private client to Fidelity, begin by gathering the necessary information. Make sure you have the account number for your UTMA account at Chase. You should also have your Fidelity account number ready for the transfer. Log into your Chase private client account online. Navigate to the section for account management or transfers. Locate the option to request a transfer to another financial institution. You may need to select the type of account you are transferring. Choose the option for a UTMA account. Fill out the transfer request form accurately. Include your Fidelity account information in the appropriate fields. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. Submit the transfer request form through Chase's online portal. After submitting, monitor your email for confirmation from Chase regarding the transfer request. Contact Chase Private Client Customer Service if you do not receive confirmation within a few business days. Next, log in to your Fidelity account. Go to the section for Managing Account Transfers. Select the option for Incoming Transfers. You may need to verify your identity if prompted. Choose to transfer from another financial institution. Fill out the required information about the Chase account. Confirm the details of the transfer request. Submit the transfer request at Fidelity. Keep an eye on your email for updates from Fidelity about the status of the transfer. The transfer may take several business days to complete. Once the transfer is processed, verify that the funds have arrived in your Fidelity UTMA account. Check that all details are correct and align with your expectations. If there are any issues, contact Fidelity Customer Service for assistance. Ensure that you maintain records of all correspondence regarding the transfer. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.